Everybody, let's take a look at my Nuwave filter. Now, I got this out of the back of my air filter. This is a Nuwave filter. I did get a red light on my front panel of my filter stating that my filter was dirty. And you can see it is dirty here. You can look down in there. You can see dust in there. So we're just going to rinse this out. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. That was one of the reasons that I decided to get a machine like this, so you don't have to buy filters and change them. That you could rinse these out, rinse out all the dust, and let it dry out, and put it back in, and you wouldn't have to go keep spending money on buying new ones all the time. So that's a big plus in my book. I did have one previously where you had to buy replacement filters all the time, and I wasn't too happy about that. So I'm just spraying it off in the sink here. I do that a little bit, get a little harder flow of water on it there. That's really all there is to it. So we're gonna let it dry out. And then we'll just slide it back into the back of the filter. Now, this is the main one in the middle. There's a couple of side ones. I didn't look at those, but this is the big one here. We're just gonna set this off to the side and let it dry off. And that's really about all there is to it. I'll probably set it on a dish rag over here. Let's see. Set it right here, open this up, probably put it upside down like this, and just let it dry out. And we should be in good shape.